So in this part, we'll be still adjusting the face and we'll make him ears. If you are new here, like entertaining Blender tutorial that keep rolling, sub. Okay, let's start. I'll make the lip. Face select and delete one by one. Vertices select all vertices, then face. Now I'll just adjust it. Rotate it. The head's dent. Adjust it. First select the bottom of the nose, then upper, and then the face, giving the head the curve. You can see this part is not good. Let's fix it. So I'll select the vertice, then delete. See this overlapped part? Let's fix that too. Around and select all vertices. These two, last one, and delete. Select these three vertices, then press F. Delete this one. Delete this one, the triangle. Select vertices and then press F. Select this full line of vertices, then press F. Press F. Then select the remaining, then press F. I'll arrange this part. Now I'll shade smooth to check how it is. Okay, so I noticed this thing. Okay, let's do this first. It even has a hole. So I'll select and delete this too. Bring it inside. Select these 5 vertices, then press F. Let's delete this overlap part. Select all these vertices, then press F. Okay, I'll bring the side of the lip a little bit inside. Let the cheek little bit inside too. Let's do again the side lip. For the cheek, let's select more vertices and bring inside. Even here there is a overlap. Let's delete it. Now let's select all vertices and add a face. Now it looks okay. I'll just adjust this full area. Okay, these vertices, let's bring it out and adjust it. I'll adjust the nose too. Eye opening is too broad. I'll adjust it. Let's narrow the eyes more. Let's bring it slightly back. I'll adjust the front and right orthographic view. Okay, let's select half eyelid and this side of it too and bring it inside. What? There's no ears. Let's make these vertices the ears. Face select. Now select and delete. Let's make these vertices the ears. Change to vertices, then select the vertices. Then press F. Now adjusting it. Face select. Now select it, then press I. Select the edges. Then again press I. Now I'll select it to bring it out. Now I'll select and leave this 4 unselected. Then bring it out again. Then scale it. If you like this video, thanks man. See you in the next part. Peace.